ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാൻ പോകുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സീരീസ് ആയിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ടോപ്പിക്ക് ഇറിഗേഷൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൽ നിന്നുള്ളതാണ്. ഇറിഗേഷൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിന്റെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സിലബസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഓൾറെഡി ഒരു പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതേപോലെ റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ട് PSC ചോദിച്ചു വരുന്ന 2005 മുതൽ 2017 വരെ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയുള്ള ഒരു പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലാത്തവരെ ചാനലിന്റെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ പോവുക. കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിനകത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ആൻസേഴ്സും മാത്രമാണുള്ളത്. സോ നമുക്ക് ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഇതുവരെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവരെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. First question, which crops are sown in autumn and harvested in spring? Options: Southwest monsoon, Kharif, autumn, Rabi. Answer: Option D, Rabi. The crop is sown in autumn and harvested in spring. Answer: Option D, Rabi. Which is the time between first watering of a crop on sowing to its last watering before harvesting? Options: crop period, base period, core period, rabi season. Answer: Option B, base period. Base period is the time between first watering of a crop on sowing to its last watering before harvesting. What is the relation between duty D, delta and base period B? Options: delta equal 8.64 B by D, delta equal 864 B by D, delta equal 86.4 B by D, delta equal 8640 B by D. Answer: Option A, delta equal 8.64 B by D. The relation between duty D, delta and base period is delta equal 8.64 B by D. What is the total depth of water required by a crop means the entire period in the field? Options: delta, duty, base period, crop period. Answer: Option A, delta. Delta is the total depth of water required by a crop means the entire period in the field. What is the main advantage of irrigation? Options: complex, waterlogging, yield of crops, damper climate. Answer: Option C, yield of crops. The main advantage of the irrigation following these options, we select yield of crops. Which irrigation method water is supplied to lower level by action of gravity? Options: lift, flow, sprinkler, subsurface. Answer: Option B, flow. The flow irrigation method is supplied water to lower level by the action of gravity. What is the first watering before sowing the crop? Options: delta, core watering, paleo, duty. Answer: Option C, paleo. The paleo is the first watering before sowing the crop. Which catchment area runoff will be more? Options: fern shape, tree shape, fan shape, circular shaped. Answer. Option C, fan shaped. The fan shaped catchment area, the runoff will be more. A line on a rainfall map join the places having same average annual rainfall called. Options isogonic, hyetograph, isoheight, isoclinic. Answer. Option C, isoheight. Isoheight is a line on a rainfall map joining the places that having same average annual rainfall. Which is the angle that the axis of head regulator makes with the axis of wear? Options 90 to 100 degrees, 90 to 60 degrees, 90 to 120 degrees, 180 degree. Answer. Option C, 90 to 120 degree. Which construction is that at the head of a canal to divert the river water towards a canal? Options barrage, storage headwork, diversion headwork, weir. Answer. Option C, diversion headwork. The diversion headwork is a construction is that provided on the head of a canal to divert the river water towards the canal. What is the classification on dam based on use? Options are rigid, debris, detention, buttress. Answer. Option C, detention. Detention dams are the classification based on use. Where did the surplus water in weir is allowed to flow? Options spillway, gates, crust, openings. Answer. Option C, crust. Where did the surplus water in weir is allowed to flow? Answer is crust. What is the life of thermal plants? Options more than 50 years, more than 30 years, less than 30 years, none of those. Answer. Option C, less than 30 years. The life of thermal plants is less than 30 years. Which irrigation constant and continuous supply of water is assured throughout the crop period? Options flood, artificial, perennial, inundation. Answer. Option C, perennial. The perennial irrigation is the irrigation which constant and continuous supply of water is assured throughout the crop period. Area where crops is grown at a particular crop season. Options culturable commanded area, gross commanded area, culturable cultivated area, culturable uncultivated area. Answer. Option C, culturable cultivated area. The culturable cultivated area is the area where crop is grown at a particular crop season. Irrigation canals are generally aligned along option straight line, valley line, ridge line, contour line. Answer. Option C, ridge line. The irrigation canals are generally aligned along ridgeline. The science which deals with the origin, properties, distribution and circulation of the water in the earth is called options hydrography, hydrometry, hydrology, geography. Answer option C, hydrology. Hydrology is a science which deals with origin, properties, distribution and circulation of water in the earth. The storage capacity of reservoir may be divided into three zones. The lowest zone is options surcharge storage, useful storage, dead storage, none of those. Answer option C, dead storage. The storage capacity of a reservoir is divided into three zones, that is surcharge, useful and dead storage. The lowest zone is called dead storage. An impervious wall inside an earth dam to reduce the seepage is called options puck wall, wing wall, core wall, diaphragm wall. Answer option C, core wall. Core wall is an impervious wall inside an earth dam to reduce the seepage. Intensity of irrigation means options area left uncultivated during the year, total depth of water applied to crop, present area irrigated of, culturable commanded area, none of those. Answer option C, present area irrigated of, culturable commanded area. Cross drainage works are structure constructed to options carry a roadway over a drain, control flow or silt in the drainage, carry a canal across the drain, none of those. Answer option C, carry a canal across the drain. Cross drainage work or the structure is constructed to carry a canal across the drain. Kharif crop also called options winter crop, core watering, summer crops, none of those. Answer option C, summer crops. Kharif crops are also called summer crops. Irrigation is an dash supplying water to the field. Options pumping, natural, artificial, none of those. Answer option C, artificial. Irrigation is an artificial supplying water to the field. For plants growth, dash water is available. Options gravitational, hygroscopic, capillary, infiltrated. Answer option C, capillary. For plants growth, capillary water is available. Runoff measured in dash. Options meter per second, meter cube per second, meter second. Answer option C, meter cube per second. Runoff measured in meter cube per second. Flow irrigation is done from dash. Option C is rivers, canal, wells. Answer option C, canal. Flow irrigation is done from canal. When canal is carried over a natural drainage, options outlet, inlet, aqueduct, superpassage. Answer option C, aqueduct. And canal is carried over a natural drainage. Answer aqueduct. Barrage is a raised sill provided with a dash. Options filling gates, drum gates, raising shutters. Answer option C, gates. Barrage is a raised sill provided with gates. Contour bunding is practiced in options plain areas, dried up tanks, hilly areas, waterlogged areas. Answer hilly areas. Contour bunding is practiced in hilly areas. Rain shadow region in India is found. Options to the west of Western Ghats, to the south of Himalayas, to the east of Western Ghats, to the west of Eastern Ghats. Answer option C, to the east of Western Ghats. The rain shadow regions in India is found to the east of Western Ghats. The duty of water at the outlet is also known as options full supply coefficient, time factor, outlet factor, capacity factor. Answer option C, outlet factor. The duty of water at the outlet is also known as outlet factor. Which of the following has maximum water application efficiency? Options farrow irrigation, lift irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, surface irrigation. Answer option C, sprinkler irrigation. The sprinkler irrigation has the maximum water application efficiency. Evaporation through plants and surrounding soils together is called options hydration, vaporation, evapotranspiration, transpiration. Answer option C, evapotranspiration. Evaporation through plants and surrounding soil together is called evapotranspiration. Maximum quantity of water that can be supplied from the reservoir with full guarantee during critical period. Options design yield, reservoir yield, firm yield, secondary yield. Answer firm yield. The firm yield is the maximum quantity of water that can be supplied from the reservoir with the full guarantee during critical period. Percentage of area irrigated to the irrigable command. Options irrigable area, crop ratio, crop intensity, area cut. Answer option C, crop intensity. Crop intensity is the percentage of area irrigated to the irrigable command. The subsidiary reservoir for storing the excess water which is utilized during this period of supply. Options farrow cement tank, tail tank, balancing tank, low level tank. Answer option C, balancing tank. Balancing tank is the subsidiary reservoir for storing the excess water which is utilized during the period of supply. So ഇത്രയാണ് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയുള്ള മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. ഇറിഗേഷൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിന്റെ സിലബസും ഓരോ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന്റെ എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷനും ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോ ഓൾറെഡി അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ ആ വീഡിയോ കാണുക, അത് കൂടുതൽ കൂടി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രയോജനപ്പെടും. സോ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.